to California, seeing the sights and people there.
Come on in, the water's...
Hey! Careful, you might fall and go downstream. Hey, I might not see you till the Pacific Ocean.
Link, clear, cold water. A river could not have better beginnings. The road starts in Crater Lake National Park, where forests are never cut down, and in the Cascade Mountains, where snowfall averages 48 feet each winter. The road starts clear and cold, perfect for salmon. Survivors from the past. Stories linger, claiming that salmon were once so thick you could walk across the river on their backs. The numbers have declined since then, but the Rogue River has the largest and most stable fall run of the Chinook salmon on the Oregon coast. Biologists estimate that 30,000 to 120,000 fall Chinook spawn in the Rogue River each year. Can you tell me some secrets? Where's the good bike path? Where can I go swimming? Tell me, fish, where? He said jump.
Looks like there's a couple swimmers out there. At least they're thinking about it. Oh, look at that. What kind of bird is that? Looks like something's been fishing, whatever it is.
It's an eagle, I think. No. Oh, it's an osprey.
Gorgeous. Wow.
I'm catching a fish. I think he has a fish. He has a fish.
Oh, look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4 babies with mother and father. Oh, there's some more of them. There's 2 families. Let's get a look at this. There they go. Oh, and there goes family number 2. They have 1, 2, 3, 4. Beautiful. Over here is maybe going to, let's see if we can find them. Where'd they go? Up a little further. There they are. They're slowing down a little bit. This family is heading over for the other side. Grace is on the hunt. Mother and father are attentively watching. Seeing Grace come up a little bit, they're kind of like, not so sure about this. Well, how was the shower?
I feel good, doo-doo-doo. I knew that I would now. So good.
So good.
Now I gotta go get my dog because he's in the sprinklers.
They said they would be warning, they would come on at 8 o'clock at night.
Come on, buddy. Come on.
And true to the form, they are coming on.
Oh, yeah, but he's soaked. Come on. Come on.
Uh-oh. He's in Arctic mode. Oh, look at him.
Hold on, hold on, hold on.
What the heck,
He had a
Kalinky?
shower. I didn't expect to take a shower and then smell like dog. Now I smell like dog. I gotta go take another shower.
You're a dirty dog.
Now I gotta go take another shower.
What do you think about this, big guy? You two look about the same.
Well, he smells good. I should have just got out his dog shampoo.
Man, he is wet as can be.
I know, tell me about it. That's ridiculous. And then they're so close together.
Have you been to California? Seen the sights and people there?